welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods. Right, today we are going to be doing another mod for this DeLorean. We have the 1 to 6 switch painted housing that we can actually put on. Now, you get this, you can get it in a painted version or you can just get it in the non-painted version. I'm not very good at painting, so I went for the painted version, which does take longer to come. But I've had this quite a while now and I can't wait to get this on the car. So we'll head over to the build desk and I'll see this done. So with all that said, let's get modding. Okay, so I have done a review on this before about what we get. This did come in a packet, but this is what we get. We get the 1 to 6 switch kit. Now this will go, I can just grab it, with this, which is the wireless 1 to 6 switch kit as well. It basically means we don't need this horrible, really, whatever you want to call it, thing. We really don't need it anymore, so it's going to come off. Do know though, they did send some more of the little knobs on here, so if we want to, if one of them breaks off or anything, we can replace them quite easily, which is really good. Okay, so all we need to do is we need to unscrew the old switch. I am going to keep the switch because I've got some plans for it. Hopefully. Let's do this. I didn't know how to put them screws in that tight. Okay, and then we're just going to remove the wire. Just like that. Now, we do need to take some off this, but this horrible chunky wire is in the way. So we'll just try and take this off. Should just come out, but it's not doing. Well, it's basically to access one of the screws. Right, so if I take that off, there we go. Right, that's out. What we do need to take off, we need to take off this part here. Undo the screw. Okay, and that's freed that part. Because what we need to do is we need to put it on our switch kit. That's just going to go on there like so. I just need to peel this backing paper, just sort of get it off, because I do need access to the screw hole. I'll get the screw ready. I'll get this on. I think this is going to look far better than what we got. Minding myself, just making sure I don't break any of them buttons. It's a little bit difficult to see. Okay. Okay, bit tough one getting the screw in. Getting it started. But good. Right, let's push that down a bit more. Right, and then finish that screw off. Creaking away. We know it's going in. You don't want to over tighten the screw as well. It'll break the thread on it, but that's as far down as it'll go. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to thread this back up onto there. Stick it down just like that. And bring our centre console across. And we just need to take off this backing paper. Move that down. Probably do without, it's just tear it to get it off. Okay, so we need to thread the wires down because these are for the lights that are on it. And thread them through. You don't want the roped wire to go down it. And we're going to put this on. I reckon about there-ish. Try and be a bit symmetrical about it. And there we have it. There we have it in place, and I think that looks far better than this whatever. Far better. But that is it. That is the switch kit in place, and that looks really nice compared to what we did have before. So yeah, that's that complete. Well, that's it for that mod. Wow, I really am impressed, I must admit. I mean, some of the things that Eagle Moss are sending in this DeLorean are just, why? You just question yourself, why, what? But then you have the people, all these mod companies coming along and saying, you know what, I think we can do a little bit better than that. And they obviously do, because they surprise you with these fantastic things. Anyway, if you like this video, please do a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell and be notified of any future videos. But as always, guys, stay safe and bye for now.